Oh, hi. How are you? It was a nice windy day. I decided to fly a kite. Have you ever flown a kite? Did you enjoy it? Today we're going to read a story about a science fair. Let's take a look at it while I wrap up here. Looks like it is starting to get cloudy. Today we are going to read the story, The Science Fair Surprise. Are you ready? Let's go! Riko loved his science class and wanted to make a project for the school science fair. She decided to experiment which type of paper airplane would fly the farthest. First, she wrote down her question and hypothesis. She thought that a long, narrow plane would go the farthest because of its shape. She folded 3 new airplanes, a long one, a wide one, and a small one. On the day of the fair, Riko set up a table with a target line on the floor to measure how far each plane traveled. She took time to throw each plane the same way. Students came to look and think about which plane could win. The long plane flew the farthest, just as she predicted. Riko wrote about her results and learned that testing ideas helps you learn. Welcome back! Did you like the story? Now it's your turn! Read the story yourself 3 times and find the sight words and vocabulary words in the story. When you finish, answer the questions on the other page. You did an amazing job! Now you try to read the story again and answer the questions by yourself. And remember to have fun! See you next time! Wow, it got dark all of a sudden.